you see your most important files like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, etc. are corrupted and cannot be opened anymore, then this video is for you. There have some common reasons for the file corruption, such as hard disk problem, computer crash, bug in operating system. Also, malware and viruses may cause the file corruption. Here I will show you how to fix the corrupted files and repair the files instantly. So without further ado, let's start. At first, let's see some corrupted files. Here you can see whenever I want to open the file, it is showing we can't open this file. Now to repair these files, you have to download 4DDIG document repair tool. I have given this link in the description box. Kindly check it out. Now click on try it free to download and install the software. After completing the installation process, you have to click on start. Now here you will see video repair, photo repair, file repair, audio repair. You have to click on file repair option. Here you can see add files. Now I will add the corrupted files. After selecting the files, you have to click on start repair. Here you can see file repair complete. After then you will preview the repaired files. In this free version, you will only see the preview of these corrupted files. To export and save these files in your drive, you have to purchase a package. Let's see. Just click on select all and then click on export selected. Here you have to buy a package. Just click here. Now you can buy any one package from here. To get 30% coupon code, you have to copy this code and click one of them. I want to click here. Just redeem coupon code, copy and paste. Now click on update. Here you will get 30% discount. Now you have to fill the billing information and click on buy now. After completing the purchasing process, you will get the code in your email instantly. Now you have to copy and paste the registration code here and then click on register. Here you can see the registration is successful and now I can save the files very easily. Here you can see the files are 100% repaired. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates.